Hey guys, it's Brad from BBP Boxing Bootcamp. Today I have got you a true Tabata workout. Okay, so what are you saying? What's Tabata? Tabata is the aim of it is you work for 20 seconds followed by 10 seconds rest. You'll see this all the time. Some people do classes and stuff like that, so you see 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but a true Tabata workout is only 4 minutes long. So that means you can give everything you've got in those 4 minutes without going over the 4-minute mark and eventually not getting the benefits from the workout because you've done too much or you're doing too much Tabata by doing 20 seconds on followed by 10 seconds rest. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do a footwork drill. So what we're aiming to be is going to be light on the toes. You could use this as a warm-up or you can use this as a finisher. The idea of this is to be light on the toes as a boxer. So we're going to jump in, I'm going to set my clock for 4 minutes. You can follow along with me. So we're just doing a few star jumps, a few shuffles and stuff like that. So we're just going to do 2 exercises. We're going to do the star jumps and then we're going to do the shuffles. We're going to get our arms and that involved as well. We just want to move as fast as we can, as light as we can for 20 seconds, followed by 10 seconds rest. 8 rounds, which equals the 4 minutes. And yeah, here it comes. Okay, so I'll tell you when to start and when to finish. Okay, so we're going straight in. The first exercise is going to be star jump. So we're going in 10 seconds. Yeah, so all we're doing, we're going in. We're just trying to be nice and fast, nice and light on the toes for 20 seconds. Okay, guys, so you're aiming to be nice and light on the toes. So when you're boxing on the bags or when you're doing pads in the ring, sparring. So try and go as fast as you can, try and be as light as you can. So you can get the calves on fire, it's going to help you skipping. Time. Okay, so next one, go into shuffle. So nice big shuffles, we're going to use the arms as well, yeah? They're the only 2 exercises we do, so it's very simple. We're just going to get your heart rate up there, it's going to hurt the calves, get them calves. So you're aiming to be as fast as you can on the toes. Get the arms to help you for balance. So yeah, try and be light. So from the side, I'm looking to be light on the toes. Time. So there's 2 rounds gone, I've got 6 to go. Let's say it's only 4 minutes. 4 minutes long. Okay, back to star jumps. So I can feel my calves already. Being on the toes. So you're aiming to be light. See, these are massive star jumps, keeping my elbows close, because I'm focusing, focusing on my footwork rather than my arms. My arms just helping, that little bit of extra carry burn help with the balance. Okay, 2, 1, back into the shuffles. Let's go, on the toes. So you're trying to be on the balls of your feet the whole time. Feel the burn. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's good. There you go, halfway. 2 more times on each exercise. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, star jumps. Nice and light on the toes. Whoa. Just keep breathing. So try and be as light as you can. Keep it light, come on, push through, 3, 2, 1. This is another good one. If you can't skip and you struggle to skip, you can do these exercises as well to warm up to help you get light on the toes. Okay, shuffles. Yeah, so if you're at the gym and you can't skip, you can get these done to get you used to being on your toes. Help you be nice and light in the ring, on the pads, on the bags. Time, good. 1 more on each. Do well, guys. Keep it up, stay with me. Got 1 more on each one. Calves are pumping, let's go. Got it, last 9 seconds on the star jumps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1 more to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. In them shuffles. Make sure you keep them wide rather than just tappy. You want a bit of movement in these. Come on, keep them wide. Keep moving nice and fast. Light the toes, that's 5 seconds. Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. There you go. So that's true Tabata training, so no more than 4 minutes. And then as you can see now, you can put in loads of effort in within those 4 minutes, so you can get the maximum out of this and be doing true high intensity interval training rather than just thinking that you're going high intensity, but you're actually saving yourself because you know you've got more to come, if that makes sense. If you like these workouts, guys, where you have to follow along, then let me know, and then I can do some more, so you can jump on and follow along with me in the workouts. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I put videos like this out all the time, strength and conditioning for boxing, footwork for boxing, boxing tutorials, boxing bag drills. So if you don't want to miss a workout, then please be sure to subscribe. And if you've enjoyed it, give me a big fat like, let me know in the comments how you got on, and I'll see you in the next one.